These days, more and more homeowners are looking into equity release to help fund their retirement plans. You know, like home improvements, a new car, maybe a fancy cruise. Equity release might seem like a good idea if you've got older kids too. They might be struggling to find a deposit for their first home, and the good old bank of mum and dad is always open, isn't it? But before you do, just hear me out. Here's something you might not know. Yes, you get to stay in your home, and you don't make repayments on the money you've released until you die or go into care. But the interest you're charged on that released money keeps going up while you've got it. And believe me, it soon adds up. And this is where I go all Carol Vorderman. Say you equity release £100,000. After 5 years with an interest rate of 6.5%, you'll owe over £137,000. And after 20 years, crikey, for that £100,000, you'll owe over £350,000. Meaning you could be leaving next to nothing as an inheritance for your kids and grandkids. But this is where Royal Life come in and make it so simple. They'll give you 100% market value for your current property, less the price of your new luxury bungalow, leaving the difference for cruisers, cars, the kids, you name it. Plus, there are no estate agent fees, no solicitors to pay, and no stamp duty either. So you've got a brand new bungalow, 100% owned by you, cash in the bank and debt-free. And just look at them, they're stunning. Happy days! To find out more, visit royallife.com or give them a ring on 01329 800 529. I'll see you soon.